ever wondered why you look different from your parents? Your siblings or even twins do not look alike, right? Plants also differ in their physical features. They have different petal colors. Some are tall while some are short. However, there are true breeding varieties of plants which are continuously self-pollinated and bear offsprings identical to the parents. The principle of inheritance was worked out by Gregor Mendel by experimenting on garden peas, Pisum sativa. Character is defined as any inheritable feature of an organism. A total of 7 pairs of contrasting features were chosen. The list of contrasting features selected by Mendel are flower color, seed shape, seed color, pod shape, plant height and flower position. Mendel conducted cross-pollination on true breeding pea lines and observed several stable trait inheritance. Let us check the reasons why Mendel chose the garden pea. They can be easily grown and maintained. They are self-pollinating, thereby producing more breeds, but they can also be cross-pollinated. They have many varieties available in alternative forms of a character, which allowed Mendel to propose the basic framework of principles of inheritance. Garden peas have a short lifespan, thus many generations can be studied in less time. Garden peas gave him a large sampling size, which provided credible data. First and foremost, he crossed pure breeding plants of opposite traits, and the offsprings obtained were termed as F1 generation. Now, let us check the observation a little bit deeper. He observed that all the F1 offspring always resemble either one of the parent. Then he self-pollinated the F1 plants. So what did he observe? Some of the offspring had features which were absent in the first generation. He termed this generation as the F2 generation. On the basis of the observation, Mendel concluded that there must be something being inherited by the progeny through the parental gametes. He called these factors now known as genes. Thus, genes are hereditary units possessing information required to express a particular character, whereas genes that code for an alternative character are known as alleles. He also observed the feature of dominance and recessive, in which one trait is always dominant over the other and is expressed. That is, when dissimilar pairs of genes that code for a particular character are present together, the dominant gene is expressed over the recessive gene as observed in the F2 generation. And the recessive gene is only expressed when two recessive genes occurs in pairs. Based on his experiment, Mendel proposed principles or laws of inheritance, which explains the law of dominance, the law of segregation, and the law of independent assortment. Thus, inheritance is a phenomena by which the characters or the genes are passed from parents to offspring. Next, how will you define variation? It is a degree to which offspring differ from their parents. So, can we represent these variations? Let us find out in the next video. Now, let us summarize what we have learned.
Manorama Horizon. Learning made simple.